Hold on to your headphones and popcorn, folks. The AI revolution is hitting the entertainment industry like a bass drop at a dubstep concert. We're not just talking about robots writing catchy jingles or CGI extras in the background. We're entering a brave new world where the line between human and artificial performers is blurring faster than a TikTok trend. You're at a concert, the crowd's going wild, and your favorite artist takes the stage. It's not actually them, but an AI-powered hologram so realistic it could fool even their own mother. Welcome to the future of entertainment where the stars never age, never miss a note, and never cancel due to laryngitis. Let's break it down, shall we? AI. Music isn't just about auto-tune on steroids. We're talking about algorithms that can compose symphonies, produce hit singles, and even mimic the styles of legendary artists. Imagine an AI that can channel the ghost of Beethoven to finish his unfinished 10th symphony, or create a collaboration between Elvis and Lady Gaga. It's not science fiction, it's happening right now. Take Terrence Southern's I Am AI album, for example. This isn't just a human using AI as a fancy instrument. The AI Amper was practically a band member, composing and arranging tracks based on Southern's input, like having a tireless musical genius at your beck and call, ready to churn out hooks and beats 24/7. But here's where it gets spicy. Can AI capture the raw emotion of a human performer? Can it replicate the goosebump-inducing power of Freddie Mercury's voice or the heart-wrenching delivery of Adele? That's the million-dollar question, folks. While AI can hit all the right notes, there's still debate about whether it can truly feel the music. Now, let's shift gears to the silver screen. Deepfake technology is evolving faster than superhero movie franchises. We've seen deepfake Tom Cruise pulling off stunts that would make the real Cruise jealous. It's mind-bending stuff. Imagine bringing back classic Hollywood stars for new roles or creating entirely new actors from scratch. But hold your horses. This isn't all sunshine and rainbows. The ethical implications are thornier than a rosebush. What happens when anyone can create a video of you saying or doing anything? It's a privacy nightmare that would keep even the most Zen Buddhists up at night. And let's not forget about the legal minefield. Who owns the rights to an AI-generated song? If an AI creates a chart-topping hit, does it get royalties? Can it join the musicians' union? These are questions that would make even the savviest entertainment lawyers' heads spin. There's more. AI isn't just about replacing human performers, it's also about enhancing the audience experience. Imagine an AI that can personalize a movie soundtrack based on your heart rate, or a virtual reality concert where the AI band responds to the crowd's energy in real time. We're talking about entertainment that adapts to you, not the other way around. Now, before you start planning your AI tribute band or deepfake soap opera, let's pump the brakes for a second. While AI is making leaps and bounds, it's not quite ready to take center stage. Human creativity, spontaneity, and that indefinable X factor are still irreplaceable, for now, at least. But the potential for collaboration between humans and AI, that's where the magic happens. Picture a world where AI handles the technical heavy lifting, freeing up human artists to push the boundaries of creativity. It's like giving Picasso a paintbrush that never runs out of paint and can suggest color combinations he never even dreamed of. The future of entertainment isn't about AI versus humans. It's about AI and humans creating experiences that blow our minds in ways we can't even imagine yet. We're talking about concerts where hologram performers interact with live musicians, movies where you can step into the scene and change the story, and music that evolves and adapts to your mood in real time. But let's not get too carried away in our techno-utopian dreams. There are serious challenges to address. How would we ensure that AI-generated content doesn't perpetuate harmful biases? How do we protect artists' rights in a world where an AI can mimic their style perfectly? And how do we preserve the human element that makes art? Well, art. These are questions that'll keep ethicists, lawyers, and philosophers busy for years to come. But one thing's for sure, the entertainment industry is in for one hell of a ride. It's like we're standing on the edge of a digital revolution, and the view is both exhilarating and terrifying. What does this mean for aspiring artists and performers? Should you hang up your guitar and enroll in a coding bootcamp instead? Not so fast. While AI is changing the game, it's not replacing the players. If anything, it's opening up new avenues for creativity and expression. The key is to embrace the technology, not fear it. Imagine being able to collaborate with an AI that can help you overcome writer's block, or using deepfake technology to star in your own one-person show playing multiple characters. The possibilities are as endless as a procedurally generated universe, but with great power comes great responsibility. As consumers of entertainment, we need to be more discerning than ever. In a world where seeing isn't necessarily believing, media literacy becomes crucial. We need to question what we see and hear, and demand transparency from content creators about the use of AI. And let's not forget about the human cost. As AI takes over more routine tasks in the entertainment industry, what happens to the session musicians, the backup dancers, the stunt performers? We need to ensure that the march of progress doesn't leave a trail of unemployment in its wake. But for all the challenges and ethical quandaries, the potential benefits are staggering. AI could democratize entertainment, allowing anyone with a good idea to bring it to life without needing a Hollywood budget. It could preserve the legacies of great artists long after they're gone. And it could create experiences that push the boundaries of what we consider possible. So, as we stand on the brink of this new era in entertainment, what's the takeaway? Embrace the change, but don't lose sight of what makes art human. Use AI as a tool to augment creativity, not replace it. And above all, stay curious, stay critical, and stay excited. Because let's face it, whether you're Team Human or Team AI, one thing's for sure, the show must go on. And with AI in the mix, it's going to be one hell of a performance. So grab your popcorn, adjust your VR headsets, and get ready for the entertainment revolution. It's going to be a wild ride, and you won't want to miss a single beat, human or artificial.